Hello guys, in this video, I will tell you how to create a PDF document directly in Gemini AI. So, let's start the video. To begin the process, the first thing you need to do is open the Gemini AI homepage. Once you're on the Gemini AI website, it's time to put the software to work. Here, you'll need to create a prompt. For this example, let's generate a mock-up proposal document for a landscaping service. What's interesting is that Gemini can even fill in fake company and contact details for you, which makes it both a creative and time-saving tool. After crafting your prompt, the next step is to head over to the Tools section of the Gemini interface. This section offers a variety of options to enhance and modify your document, but for our purpose, you'll want to select Canvas. The Canvas tool is especially useful because it allows you to arrange and structure your document exactly the way you want. Once your document is laid out in Canvas, you're almost done. Now, locate the Submit button and click on it. This action will finalize your changes and prepare the document for export. As we move to the final steps, it's time to convert the document into a PDF. Look for the small print button. This is where the magic happens. When you click it, a print dialog box will appear. In this dialog box, you'll see a section labeled Destination. Click on it and choose Save as PDF. This option tells Gemini AI to save your completed document in PDF format, making it easy to share, store, or print later. Once you select Save as PDF, simply confirm and let the process finish. And there you go, a polished PDF document. You've now successfully created a PDF document directly using Gemini AI. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe. Thank you for watching.